What is up, guys? Brittany here with Britt's Hobby Shop, and today we're going to be discussing the 1955 Lincoln Cent double die obverse error. So let's get straight into the video. Okay, guys, so here I have my 1955 wheat cent, and as you can see, it is in really good condition. Unfortunately, it is not a DDO penny, but it still is really pretty. And I just want to give you guys some insight on the 1955 DDO wheat cent. So, the 1955 double die obverse DDO wheat cent is the most famous double die and error of them all, guys. The obverse of this coin illustrates one of the most prominent displays of doubling, which makes it extremely popular and valuable. I'm going to show you guys some pictures of exactly what I'm talking about when I say double die obverse. It means it's doubling in the letters and in the numbers on the front of the coin. If I say reverse, it would be on the back of the coin. But there is something very, very special about the 1955 DDO wheat cent, and the specific error that I'm referring to, it has doubling in not only the 1955, but also in Liberty and In God We Trust. The motto In God We Trust and the word Liberty are very clearly doubled, as is the 1955 date. It is very hard to miss this error, guys. So it is easy to tell the difference between the real one, obviously, and then, the one that they call the 1955 poor man's double die, which is literally nowhere near as noticeable as the one I'm going to show you guys in the pictures right now. Okay, guys, so here it is in all of its beauty, the 1955 DDO wheat cent. As you can see to the left, the doubling is so noticeable, you do not need a microscope or a magnifying glass. This coin is doing crazy numbers in sales, guys, for the mint state 65 and above. So if you can get your hands on one of these, you're going to make out with 6 figures or more. Hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Happy hunting, and I'll see you next time. Peace.